After Apple launched satellite connectivity for emergency messaging with the iPhone 14, there were rumors that Samsung was working on a similar feature for the Galaxy S23. However, this feature did not materialize and was also absent from the Galaxy S24. It appears that the feature is now being developed for the Galaxy S25. Samsung appears to be preparing satellite connectivity features for emergency calls and messaging. Code strings indicating this feature were discovered in the stock Emergency SOS, messages, and phone apps. Here's what Android Authority found out. Emergency SOS, emergency text via satellite. If you call emergency services when you're out of range or not connected to a mobile network, we'll connect you via satellite so you can send an emergency text. Samsung Messages, satellite mode not supported. Samsung Messages doesn't support satellite messaging. To send and receive text via satellite, you need to make Google Messages your default messaging. Samsung Phone, you're in satellite mode. You can send text messages including to 911. Emergency calls may still connect if a mobile network is available near you. You can send and receive text messages in satellite mode. Emergency calls may still connect if a mobile network is available near you. Samsung MX boss TM Rowe previously stated that the company is waiting for the satellite connectivity ecosystem to mature before introducing this feature to its smartphones. There were widespread rumors about Samsung making major changes to the Galaxy S25, both in terms of its internals and its external design. It's already been confirmed that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature substantial camera upgrades. Recently, some details about the phone's external design have emerged, bringing good news for those who dislike the sharp corners of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Yesterday, we reported that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will depart from the sharp corners seen in its predecessors. According to tipster Ice Universe, the upcoming flagship will feature rounded corners similar to those of the Galaxy Note 7. If this information proves accurate, it would be a welcome change as the Galaxy S24 Ultra's design is not very comfortable for extended use. The rounded corners would contribute to a more ergonomic design. Hopefully, Samsung will continue to use titanium for the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design, just as they did with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. While curved corners might reduce space for the battery and S Pen, it's likely that Samsung has already figured out how to accommodate these components. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.